Welcome to Farmhouse Biscuits, one of the country's leading traditional biscuit manufacturers. We take hygiene and cleanliness extremely seriously. All of our staff are trained and monitored regularly to wash their hands throughout the day. Here at Farmhouse, we use traditional baking methods just like you would at home, but on a larger scale. We have 3 bakeries on site here in Nelson, which span over more than 200,000 square feet, and we employ up to 300 staff during our busy periods. We only use carefully selected ingredients which are sourced locally where possible. Our ingredients are sieved out into large 200 kilogram mixing bowls where the biscuit dough is created. Whilst mixing the dough, a batch recipe sheet is created. This records all ingredients and allows us to have full traceability. The batch number will follow the biscuit through all the various processes from mixing to forming to baking to packing and storing. Once the dough has been mixed, this is then fed by hand into a forming machine. We have 3 main types of machine: wire cutting, rotary moulding and depositing. Wire cutting produces a traditional artisan product. Rotary moulding creates a uniform biscuit which can be personalised, whilst depositing enables you to produce a Viennese-style biscuit. Once the biscuits have been placed onto baking trays, they are loaded onto racks and placed into one of our 4 rack ovens. We have 19 ovens on site across the 3 bakeries. On average, we will produce 700,000 biscuits per day. We have the capability to chocolate coat our biscuits. We have 3 enrobers, 2 will coat in dark chocolate and 1 will coat in milk chocolate. Here you can see the half milk coating of the Fortnum & Mason rotary moulded digestive biscuit. This is the full coating process where biscuits go through the enrober. Every biscuit is coated with the same indulgent amount of chocolate, but the biscuits can be coated as indulgently as you want them by adjusting the overhead blower as they pass through. The coated biscuits travel through a long cooling tunnel to be hand-packed at the end of the line. Once the biscuits have cooled, they are ready to be packed into one of the many packaging options we have available. All of our biscuits are hand-packed and check-weighed. This ensures that the correct pack weights are achieved. Any underweight packs are automatically rejected. Here you will see the biscuits being wrapped into personalised scatter print film. We have the options for plain or fully printed films too, depending on the customer's requirements. Once the biscuits are packed into the tin, it is sealed using a heat seal collar. This is one of the many ways to make the tin airtight and tamper-proof. Here you will see our staff are wearing red protective clothing. This colour signifies gluten-free production, which we now carry out in a new totally segregated production area. In this particular process you will see an assortment tin being produced. All of the 6 types of biscuits are baked, prepared and arranged ready for packing. The trays are all check-weighed and metal detected. Once the tin is packed, they are hand-sealed with tape to make them airtight and tamper-proof. Assortments can need up to 24 members of staff to put together on the packing process alone. Here you will see one of the more indulgent chocolate selections being prepared. The outer case labels for any chocolate products are blue, which indicates storage conditions. Chocolate products should be kept at a constant ambient temperature to avoid blooming. Once our biscuits are packed and ready to go, they are taken to our on-site warehouse. This warehouse can hold up to 4,500 pallets of finished product and packaging at any one time. Our warehouse uses an integrated computerised warehousing system which allows us to locate and pick stock easily and efficiently. All of our biscuits are dispatched from here, supplying countries all over the world. We currently have 4 of our own vehicles and we work very closely with a local reputable haulier, delivering to all of our UK customers. Well, there is a snapshot of how Farmhouse biscuits are produced. We hope you have found the video informative and we would welcome you to visit our bakery anytime in the near future.